Hi everyone, welcome back to Atika's Adventures. Today we are going to Monmouth County's famous Battlefield Park in New Jersey. Look how beautiful this park is. It is just perfect for a barbecue picnic. The fire is ready, so we are going to start grilling. We have a wonderful menu today. We're going to start off by making our chicken tikka boti. Next, we are going to grill our delicious beef seekh kebabs. And last but not least, we are going to be grilling these fabulous vegetables. I just love these. All these wonderful barbecue items are going to go so well with the tomato garlic pulao, mint chutney, and hummus. And what is a picnic without chai, right? So we had to make our cardamom tea at the park. It was so delicious and satisfying after that heavy meal, and we served it with lemon pound cake. I'm going to add the link to that recipe in the description box. Getting together with the family and just hanging out at the park, having a delicious meal together and letting the kids run around. I just love summer. Thank you so much for joining us on our family picnic. I hope you liked this video and join me again for some more fun adventures. I'll see you next time.